Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to we're going live to show you. I just have to build a Facebook ad campaign for GoHighLevel. Basically, I'm selling GoHighLevel tech support and implementations. So I'm going to be building a Facebook ad. I'm going to be showing you my funnel. How do I set up ads? Because a lot of people at the end of the day, biggest question that I get for digital marketing is how do I get leads? And there's only two forms of ways of getting leads. One is doing organic content, which is slow, takes about 6 months to a year to start getting traction. You have to post every single day and they doesn't always pan out. Second is running paid ads where everything is now pay to play. So Facebook and Instagram are the top two places to start getting quality traffic where you don't have to post content. So in this video, I want to show you my process from start to finish of how do I set up a Facebook ad campaign. Now, caveat, I'm technically not using GoHighLevel for this, technically, because at the end of this week, I'm switching over to GoHighLevel. My subscription ends for all my stuff at the end of this week, so I'm going to rebuild everything in GoHighLevel. But I need a Facebook ad campaign running today, so that's why I'm going to just start using my tech stack. But the process is simple. I mean, you'll get to see a lot behind the scenes and ask your questions about GoHighLevel. It's early. It's 10:47 in the morning. I doubt we're going to get anyone live, which is very interesting. But GoHighLevel is a big topic. People have questions, so you could come in, ask questions. Ooh, we're live. Let me get this set up. You can ask questions and get support from GoHighLevel. Or it's not support for GoHighLevel, but at least I've been using it. I get it. I'm now running everything. I'm now going to be switching over my entire system over to it because the cost savings, the automations, the powerful, and everything. It's worth it. I'm moving all my clients over to GoHighLevel anyway. So that's why I'm doing this live. It's not. There's no structure to it. I'm just going to be building a funnel. Building a Facebook ad campaign, building a funnel so you can see everything that goes along with it. And then if you pop in, you have GoHighLevel questions, I can at least give you more insight. If you have GoHighLevel, answer questions. If you don't have GoHighLevel, I'm not selling an affiliate link or anything. I don't want your affiliate link. I'm not interested in that. I do manage services. I manage and build CRM, and basically it's a CRM and all GoHighLevel. It's basically a lead acquisition system for small businesses so that they can get leads online, convert visitors into leads, and they can start automating and growing their business without having to doing a lot of the manual work. So that's why the analogy. So just to give you also a little background too, I come from the Salesforce world. I'm a Salesforce developer, and GoHighLevel is the same thing where you're basically building out. GoHighLevel is like Salesforce. I'm not meaning comparison, but these are very powerful tools that can automate and streamline your entire business. The problem is it's like getting a Ferrari shipped to your door. It's super fast. It's beautiful. It's, oh my God, it's just a machine that will just take you to new levels. But the problem is that it comes in pieces and there's no manual. So you have to build it custom for your business. So that's why I have experience as a Salesforce developer in building automation and systems and CRMs and integrating it and everything from I need leads from paid ads all the way to sales and repeat sales and the automation that goes along with it. I've built many different tech stacks and now I'm only about, which is actually interesting, I'm only about 9 days into my journey with GoHighLevel. I'm kind of like upskilling myself and learning myself along the way. So in 8 days, you'll see a video. You actually see a video on my YouTube channel. In 8 days, I built a proof of concept for a client, actually, an all-in-one. They're a barbershop, so I pre-built their whole funnel and system using my own tech stack, lead pages to ClickUp, Zapier. But I'm going to be migrating them over into GoHighLevel, and so I needed to do a demo for the client so you can see why are we switching. I thought the system that we had was great. What are the benefits? And showing him basically that you get better automation, you get better. Systems. Everything's automated. Everything's centralized in one app. The power just for a business owner to have one chat box to be able to communicate by text and email and social media channels in one inbox centralized. That is already, and then you get the automations on top of it. That's huge ROI savings. So at the end of the day, I'm not pushy. GoHighLevel does have a bad rep because of the 40% affiliate fee, because everyone's shilling out affiliate sponsor links. I'm not doing that because I want to take on the tech for my clients. That's my bread and butter. That's what I love doing, is building automation systems so my clients can generate more revenue, streamline their operations, and do more with technology. That's my purpose. And so that's what this video is about. So I'm just kind of, let's dive into it. Enough of me talking. Let's get our hands dirty, for example. So let's switch over. Cool. We have my screen. Starting off, just everything I do, I just have a checklist. Start to finish, everything I need to do. You can use Apple Notes. I recommend TickTick. But this is before I start a project. I'm going to talk through my whole process of how I build along the way, just so you can listen. My thought process, pick up some tips. Before I start a project and start building things, I put out a checklist and I start, what is step one and what is step done, so that I could just jam through all the different steps and I don't have to think about, what do I need to do, what's been done, what do I need to do next, how close am I to the finish line, or I may get interrupted halfway through. I may have to step away from the computer or this task and come back to it in an hour, a day, a week, a month, a weekend, whatever. And having a checklist allows me to execute methodically. This comes from a book called Checklist Manifesto, where basically they're like, hey, we're getting a lot of errors in the doctors in the ER room. How could we improve the efficiency so doctors don't kill their patients or make mistakes? Basically, how do we reduce mistakes and improve efficiency? At the end of the day, Checklist Manifesto is a great book. So basically, I use a tool. I use TickTick. You can use Notion. You can use Apple Notes. Doesn't really matter. But the process is, before you start a project, document what is step one, and then also what is step done. Okay, hold on. Just going to put something in the chat so I could pin a comment, so we're getting nerdy. Okay, so that's checklist. So that's my thought process. I've basically, step one is, we're going to, okay, so when you build, let's actually get nerdy into it. When you build an ad campaign, you're actually going to see me build this in my old funnel process, which is interesting. So that would be interesting. Okay, I'm just kind of like getting familiar with everything so that I could just organize my workspace. I have a bunch of screens all set up, so I want to make sure I'm pretty streamlined. Okay, pretty streamlined now. Okay, so with it, you need, starting off, you need a funnel. You don't need a website. Please, I swear to God, this is an argument that we have. It may even change in 2025. Now funnels are eventually going away. They're going to be switched from funnels to social media DMs automation. That's a whole thing that's happening. But what we need to do right now, let's start with Event Manager. Okay, because this is a big hiccup that people don't set up correctly when they do Facebook ads. When you set up Facebook ads, you need a conversion pixel. A pixel is a piece of code that goes on the thank you page for them to basically, when the customer goes to you have their landing page and the thank you page. When they go to the thank you page, it triggers a piece of code, sends that back to Facebook, and that is great for analytics, so that you can see what demographic, what interest, what location, where you actually getting your conversions, so that you can optimize your ad and get them better. So basically, set up a website URL, add it. You also have to add the pixel base code to it, basically. So here's the thank you page. Basically, I gotta fix the calendar. And then when you fix it, here's the thing: when you do it, it's going to be a lead. That's the conversion. And then URL contains is actually the trick that you want here. So if it triggers, then it's the URL. go ahead and fire that conversion pixel to send feedback back to Facebook to say that person that made it through the entire funnel, their lead, go find me more people that are like that. So you can optimize for conversions. So this is set up and tested and done. So we now have our, I could test it, but I don't really care. Website fires, but sometimes it takes a minute for it to come through for the for that, but that's good enough. This isn't going to be like a strict tutorial. This is me. I need to build this, and you get to learn and just look over my shadow as I'm building this, basically. Okay, that's good enough. It takes a minute for it to load, but I know I set it up correctly. So I can now go out and now work through my checklist. Fix what pixels done. TidyCal needs to be fixed. TidyCal. I use TidyCal. TidyCal because Calendly sucks donkey balls and is stupidly expensive. So let's do. I don't need. Actually, I'll use this one. We'll clone it. And goals. $30. Super simple. 4 days ahead. 2 hours of time. Online video conference. Yep. I want your phone number. What's your biggest marketing challenge? I'm just cloning this TidyCal, basically. Thinking, do I want to deal with people under? It's like, no. No, because if you're not making more than $3,000, you don't have the income to afford my services, basically. Sorry. Yep. Because this is very high ticket. Okay. Okay. Those are just the sales qualification questions, availability, and business goals. Okay. Good enough. Let's check this out. Cool. 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 That's all I need. Done. And then reminders, just to double check those are there. 1 hour. Too bad you can't add or more. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so now I need to embed this. I don't need this guy. I don't need this guy. That's the one on the website. This one is for me. Okay, that's good. And that works. So let's embed this. Donate this. Okay, where is... Because it's just part of my O system. I use lead pages. Dear God, I'm just going to say this for the people that are listening. If you use GoHighLevel, or if you use Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, or any AI website builder tool, you have just killed your business 100%. Like you've literally just killed your business. You put a brick wall up, and now you're struggling with the biggest question: how do I turn website visitors into leads? Your website is your problem. One, you use the wrong tool, which actually handicapped your business, and then two, you don't have a funnel. So you're not using the best marketing practices. So I'm actually going to build a funnel in this so I could talk to you about what those funnels are. Hey, shout out to the two people in chat. Go ahead and throw something in the chat. I'd love to get to know about what you guys do in your business. Um, so if you can't afford GoHighLevel, which I don't know why you can't, it's super affordable if you look in the long-term ways when compared to all the other ones. If you buy cheap, you get cheap. That's why like WordPress is, or Squarespace and Wix are so cheap. It's like, no, it's cheap for a reason. Like it will kill your business. Like we move clients off from Wix and Squarespace, and we double their revenue just by allowing more traffic to go through and turn from visitors into leads and then converting it into a funnel. That's how we do it. Sorry, I'm talking. So basically, I need to embed a calendar. The calendar acts kind of like your sales qualification thing, basically. Schedule your free... It's a discovery call. Your GoHighLevel and business goals. Should be 7. Yep, that looks good. All right, schedule free, simple funnel. So if we look at this, there's only one action on this page. No buttons, no headers. Look at that. Fix the calendar. Now you get beautiful calendar. The thing I like about TidyCal, which GoHighLevel doesn't do, just so you should know what it can and cannot do, you don't get Zoom links. Like this will automatically create a Zoom link to my Zoom account, which is handy. So first name, email, what are your GoHighLevel challenges? What is your currently revenue? This is my sales qualification. Just for caveat, I do not work with businesses that are making under 3K a month because you don't have a business, honestly. Not like you have so much to do that you have bigger problems than getting into like GoHighLevel and stuff like that. So that's why that looks good. Schedule tech support, that looks good. Okay, I'm happy with the landing page. Let's now move to, again, use our checklist, TidyCal link. I'm also going to just move this. While we're here, might as well just do the funnel, and then I'll do automation. So this is the thank you page. It has the pixel code. Let's now go to, let me get Canva in here too, because we'll look at Canva later on. Nice. Nice. Okay. So now everything in the funnel, you need a thank you page right here and a landing page. This is why you buy these funnel tools, because they tell you conversion scores. This, I don't care how nice your website looks. Don't get married to the look of your website. You need to judge your website on one thing and one thing alone. What is the conversion score? What that means is if I send 100 people to your website and only 5 people sign up for your product or your services or your lead magnet, that is a 5% conversion score. There are industry standards. If you have a shitty website, if you have just a buy now page, it's usually under 1% conversion score, which is pretty poor. That means that you're missing out on 99% of leads that are going to your business that are not signing up. That's why you need to have a funnel or these analytic tools to judge your website. So I don't care if you're like, because I get a lot of business owners are like, I already have a website. Really? And then next question is, what's the conversion score? And they're like, I don't know what the conversion score is, but it's a pretty website. Well, are you getting leads? No one's signing up. I don't understand why. So I get it. Most business owners don't know about marketing. I just spent 10 years learning marketing. You have to learn the hard way. So these are the hard questions that I will drill your business on. You want someone as a trusted advisor. Cool. So we have our thank you page. I have my conversion score. Let's go to the actual funnel, not a website, funnel. Cool. This is good. We need to next build. Don't need this. Okay, now we need to build the landing page. Okay. Thinking. I'm just thinking, how do I want to optimize this funnel? Okay, let's do this. Let's put a header, because your header should first have a call out. Sections, blank, call out. Who is this for? Actually, I'm going to cheat. Debating. That's good. Yeah, let's just do it. Let's rock it. Just to get something up real quick. Cool, cool, cool. Feel free to drop some questions in the chat if you're even just curious about marketing for your business while I sit here and build. For high growth coaches, consultants, certifiers using GoHighLevel. Yes. You basically want to call out when a customer comes to your page, the first thing, it's like walking into a lobby of a business. The first question that they have is, am I in the right room? Am I in the right building? Is this for me? So that's why the first thing your landing page or funnels they do is they'll call out, oh, are you a coach, consultant, or service provider? Great. You're in the right place. Continue or read on, basically. So that's why. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. Five. Cool. Second thing your funnel needs to do is have a big promise, big pitch, big offer. Nothing else. Very simple. And then I'm also going to record a video sales letter after this. So we're going to put a VSL right here. I will add that later. Don't need this. This is going here. This is going here. Okay. We are jamming. Send me. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay. Okay, button, send me your fix list. Nice. Let's make this nice and green. Doop-a-doop-boop-a-doop-boo. The process is the same if you're using GoHighLevel. I mean, it's just more of your familiarity with the tools. I like that. Okay, always save. Save and publish. Nice. Okay. Do. Hmm. Not doing a free hour. Okay. Here's a pro tip. I don't send my customers to a Calendly page. Starting off, 40% of leads, roughly, will not fill out the calendar form. They don't know how to use this. So if you send this to your leads, where it's just this, 40% of people don't know how to fill that out, which is interesting. So you'll actually get more leads if you just have a contact form right underneath it. Then 40% of those will people put on the calendar. Great. Those are easy. But the ones that don't, now you have their name and email that you can follow up to continue to nurture them. So you always want to capture contact information so you as the business can follow up. Sometimes it takes, I think it's 11 to 15 touch points that you need to follow up with them in order to convert them, basically. So a lot of businesses will just reach out once and it's like, oh, I don't understand. I reached out once and it didn't reply. It's like, oh no, 11 to 15 times you need to reach out continuously. If you don't, your competitors will. Beep bop boo boo. I'm just going to move this down here. Don't need this. Okay. Draw the This is the About Me page. Okay, this we don't need. This was from an old funnel. Delete. Simple. I'm actually just going to add this. Facebook requires this when you do ads. Just a thing. So basically, by the end of this call, I shouldn't say by the end of this call, but like we're what, a few minutes in, we're going to get a full funnel built. That's good. I don't want to put my LinkedIn. That's good enough. This needs to add a row because it's so big. So we're just going to, this just comes from building over thousands of funnels. When you build thousands of funnels, you know exactly how to make it look the way you want. So building the website is usually the challenge for businesses. One, two. Where's the third one? Oh, no, yeah, they're columns. Oh, there they are. Whoops. Let's just label things just to make it easy. Just to make it easy. This is the head. Top. Well, you could call it header. Doesn't really matter. That's where this is. I need to move this down here under support. Ooh. That's why we buy the tools, so they're easy to use. Nice. Nice. This is a support. This is hero. Leave it. Great. Now, see, there's our third one right there. That's what we want. Don't need this guy. See how nice he centers it? And then it'll look great on mobile. Nice. Okay, good. Simple funnel. That. All right. Actually, I'm going to add a section. Thinking. Okay. I'm gonna name this section. Cool. And then I could put this down here. Nice. And then I take this, put this here. That's good. I'm gonna make that just a little bigger. Oops, actually, yeah. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Because now you can send this button. So when they click it, go to that page section. Oops. And go to start. And then you can duplicate it to go down here. Simple. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. I got to record a VSL. Things I have to do, so add it to the list. Nice. Okay, that's good. Landing page. Let's review. Call out. Big promise. VSL. One button. Instructions. Sign up form. About you, who you are, and disclaimer. There's our funnel. Now, GoHighLevel tech support. Yep. Cool. I like that. I like that. I like that. So this is done. Oh, when they click on this page, important, what are they going to do? This is, yeah, I'll have this for Zapier. Name, phone number, email. Yep. And I need you to go to, that's the thank you page. So let's check it. There it is with the calendar. Beautiful. Save and close. And update. Now we're jamming. All right, lead pages is done. See, now let's do the automation, Zapier. I need this to go to my CRM. These people, let's get these people out. Okay, cool. We're gonna just edit some things here. GoHighLevel services. In your CRM, you should always have stages for new lead follow-up, scheduled meeting, and if they become a client. So you know where people are. See? So when they fill out the form to go to their website, this is why you should have a CRM if you want to make more money. You can just click up. I'm moving everything to GoHighLevel, as I mentioned, but new lead, follow-up, scheduled meeting, Go high level client, lost sale. Those are helpful to track. So now that's there. Let's now go to Zapier. Let me actually go to Zapier up here. Log in real quickly. How you guys enjoying this? Learning? We're learning together. Cool. Welcome to Zapier. We're going to do, I don't use Circle anymore, so I don't need this. Clean up your automations. GoHighLevel has all of this built in, which is nice. That's why it's going to be so easy to migrate my stuff over. I'm just procrastinating. What I want is to clone this. Turn this off. Add my tidy cows. That's cool. We're going to duplicate this. Duplicate and edit. This is GoHighLevel website new lead. Cool. Yep, that's what I want. What's the trigger action? We're going to change the trigger action to lead pages. This is the problem with like Wix, Squarespace, is some of the sites, or even GoDaddy is notorious for this. GoDaddy doesn't have an integration with Zapier. So it's like, I had a client that they're like stuck with their stuck with GoDaddy. And it's like, but I have a nice website, but are you generating money? No. It's like, okay. So trigger when this happens, support form. Oh, I think we have info in there, even if it's dummy info. That's fine. Yeah, there's something there. Okay. Here, create a task. First name, new lead. Facebook ad. Yep. 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 And the product needs to change. Go high level services. Continue. Am I going to throw them in my email automation? I don't want to build an email automation right now. Delete. I'm just going to follow up by text to make it easy. Cool. That's built. Let's test it out. Update. So that's our automation. Let's now test it. Should always test your automations. Oops. Is it lunchtime yet? I'm hungry. It's 11:23. We're going to finish this so we could go eat lunch. See, press the button, boom. Press the button, boom. Takes you to the form. There's going to be a VSL right here, video sales letter. Your website should have a video sales letter. If it doesn't have a 2-minute video sales letter on your website or funnel, basically, you're losing money. Video is the #1 piece of forum to content, meaning your audience is not going to read your website. They're not going to go to your other tabs. So don't do that. People just have a short attention span, unfortunately. So let's test this out. Can you test one? Because I may do different ones. test1@gmail.com. And submit. There's our thank you page. Nice. Let's go to our CRM. I got a mobile notification. That's the other cool thing. Boom. There it is. Why did their first name not go? Oh, I know why. This is why you test. I know why. Yep, there's the first name. Phone number didn't go, so we're gonna get that. Oh yeah, because I piped this in from another number, so that's why. Okay. Let's test it again. Okay. Let's test it again. See how you number them. Can you test 2? Test2@gmail.com and Oops. Okay. Sends you to the thank you page and our CRM. Got a mobile notification. Oh, we have a bug in the system. Phone number and text is not going through. Okay. Let's figure out why. Oh, because I didn't publish. That would help. When you make changes in Zapier, you have to publish it so it becomes live. Little things. Try again. A3, test 3. Okay. That should work. Great. Waiting for my phone. That's why I like ClickUp, because you get mobile notifications. Awesome. We go to our CRM, and what do you know? A3, there's a first name, there's the phone number, there's the email, and they're going for GoHighLevel services. Perfect. Automation. That's how you convert website leads into, or website visitors and leads. Okay, automation is done. While I'm here, I have a TidyCal automation that I just need to simplify. I need this just to, not that one, I need this one here. We're going to edit this. Okay, let's move this up here. Let's get rid of this path. So when they book on the calendar event, 2-minute delay, I want them to also add that to the CRM, scheduled meeting, booking time, the event, that. I only have one service right now. Just make it easy. Okay, publish. Okay, that was just a quick little change. See how nice it is when you could go deep focus into a task. This is also called deep work. Pro tip, deep work. I don't have a Pomodoro timer. This is a great book. Deep work. Basically, we're focusing for the next roughly, it's not going to take more than an hour to finish this. And then we have your Pomodoro timer, deep focus time, and we have our checklist where, boom, we're making progress. See how nice it is? You could jump out and then quickly switch to the next part of the task in the project that you're working on quickly and fast. So let's review. We have our CRM set up. We have a thank you page. We have a funnel landing page. Done, 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 done. That's all good. Perfect. I'll add a video sales letter later. Okay, so remember, what's our thing do? Create the ad. So now let's create the Facebook ad. So that's the Facebook thing. Okay, let's go here. I use the magnifying glass. You only need to jump between event manager and the ad. Ad campaign. Nice. Ooh. I have ad here. We're going to just edit it. Hey, 3 people. Go ahead and say hi in the chat. Love to hear from you. So creating ad campaigns. Facebook ads. Oh, stretch. Coffee break. Hold on. Coffee break. I've actually eliminated all the coffee cream this week. So I'm trying something new where I'm just reducing the amount of sugar in my life, going to the gym more, getting stronger. I love it without the sugar. And then I'm fasting for 8 hours, or from like 8 p.m. to like, I think it's like 12 or 1 p.m. So we're going to eat lunch in about 30 minutes, which is just enough time to turn on this ad. So when I create ads, I always say the date it started, give a name for it. It's really arbitrary, and then I do versions. Version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you should always be testing your ads. Always be testing your ads. Always be testing your funnels. Improve the score. A/B testing. Good practice. Okay, we're going for leads. That looks good. What is the conversion action? We're sending them to my website. Great. What's our budget? I'm going to A/B test 2 different ads, and I'm going to set a daily budget of $50. Cool. And then audience. Oh, well, state, location. California is expensive. I can't afford California right now. I'll afford Florida and Texas for right now. We'll get some leads there. Cool. Do you want to reach more people? No. Age 35. We're going to go all the way to 55. 25 and under, I think, is pretty good for the age. Yep. Men and women. Yep. English. I'm not. Do they? I don't think they have a GoHighLevel thing. Like, they don't have like a GHL thing. Yeah. So that's why I'm just going to leave it. I could do like entrepreneur, but I don't care. It's going to figure it out. Okay. Where do you want these ads placed? I want to be very specific where I want these ads placed. They are going to be photo images. So we don't need this, don't need this, don't need this, just Facebook feed. And then Instagram feed are the top two places. Don't need this. Again, this isn't like a tutorial. I have a bunch of tutorials on my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Hey, by the way, like and subscribe if you're finding this helpful. Okay, cool. So I only want this on my Facebook feed and Instagram feed, not mine, but the client's. That's good. Options. Here I could be very picky and I'm going to say only people with Android devices. Do I want that? No, I'm going to leave it. That's cool. Next. All right, now the fun part, we create the ad. Because we're saying no to the website. Single image. Set up the creative image. Now we need an image. That's where we're going to Canva. And I have a Facebook ad here. It's just a 1080 by 1080. Here we go. I have a couple clients that are barbers. That's why I have this here. Okay, cool. Here. Okay, now we're in edit mode. Great. I don't need this. So we need an image and creative. So first, let's add the GoHighLevel. Huh. I'm thinking about the image. Let's go to ChatGPT. I think I have a conversation I was working on with the copy. So, yep, here's the copy. Let's rename this. Oops, I don't want that. Rename. GoHighLevel services. Cool. I'm using my own custom GPT. That's why you should always create custom GPTs. This custom GPT is called, this is my army. Pro tip, this is my army of AI agents. These are, so people mess up and they just play with regular ChatGPT, just do like conversations like these things right here. That's like beginner level. That's horrible. You definitely want to pay for ChatGPT Plus so you could create custom GPTs. So when I do Instagram scripts, I script out all my Instagram. That's recorded. When I do copywriting, Facebook ads, website ads, lead magnets, all copywriting. That's my offer architect. If I'm doing high ticket coaching sales, high ticket coach. If I'm doing a business coach, business coaching, standard operating procedures. And then it goes, when I used to create the course, there was another one there. So I'm using my offer architect. So that means this chat GPT is custom prompted with the best copywriting books, frameworks, and examples that I've used over the last 10 years of me learning how to do copywriting, so that I could just go to this bot and it pumps out great copywriting, highly converting, so that I don't have the basic stuff. Like if you're just doing regular chats, you won't get this. You won't get anything close to this. So that's why it's really helpful to know how to do custom GPTs. Okay, so I did an ad, I did a prompt, an ad, and I like this too. Give me 5 examples of the image with text and what the image should be. Because I may do an AI image generator. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. Confident individual sitting at a desk with a laptop, looking at ease, while a messy digital dashboard is shown. Tired image of a tired looking person lying awake at bed with floating in their, oh man. That's an interesting one. Before and after of a cluttered dashboard versus a frustrated emoji and someone's sleep. I know that one. I've done some of these, which is interesting. A mechanic style theme. A person in a jumpsuit with a wrench. A technician. An image of a technician. This is why I want to do A/B testing with a couple different images. So we could do that one I like, and a busy coach. I know how to A/B test these two. And we'll only, in this example, we're going to spend $50, run an ad for one campaign, then $50 we're going to run another ad for another campaign. And the only variable I'm going to change is the image. Once that works, then I'll scale down to the next part, which is the text. So I'll A/B test that. So, and I don't run it. I run it for like 2 days, basically. It's enough to, you want at least like 1,000 views to get there, basically. So now I know how to do these two ads. Okay, I know what we're looking. Actually, I think I have some of those ads here somewhere. So like that one for the coach is one. That one's for the technician. But I want, I know which one. I know what the image is. Because I know. Because it's like, I could use Flux to like AI image generate, but I don't want to like, I want to keep it simple. Yeah. So confident man laptop. I know the exact image too. He looks like a nerd. That looks like a nerd. That looks like a nerd. But there's one specific nerd that I like. That's a nerd. We're looking for a nerd. Computer nerd. Laptop nerd. Hey, 5 views. Welcome everyone watching the video. Please like and subscribe so you can follow for more marketing, GoHighLevel, AI content. Boost the algorithm. Let's see. I think it's just IT. Yeah, this guy. This is what I was thinking. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one thing. We're going to have feedback from ChatGPT. So screenshot. I'm going to go ChatGPT. Which image is the best for this ad? So image number 1. Image number 2. This is where it helps using ChatGPT. Again, where you should be using ChatGPT and you're going to get the highest ROI out of using it, not just doing very like basic prompts. You're going to be using it in your copying, your marketing, basically in your copywriting for your ads, website, lead magnets, and then your 4 offers. That's your low ticket offer, high ticket offer. That's what you're going to be using it. It's the text to communicate. You're also going to be using it for writing your scripts, for creating your content. So that's where that's what you should be using ChatGPT for. Okay, there's our images. 4 images. Get ChatGPT because it's nicely prompted, or our custom offer GPT. I should sell it. So what do we have? It looks at all there. For this ad, your target audience is probably professional. The first image of the smiling professional. Yep, it was this one. I knew it. See, I knew it. That's why I'm like, I know the whole library. We're just gonna slap the logo right there, make it nice and prominent. Cut this down and enhance. Yep. I want to see the whole laptop. And I need a two-tone. Let's make this probably, we got red. Nope. We've got yellow. White. We've got yellow. See it, RGB kind of thing. And you can't see it. I'm just trying to see which ones. I really just want to do basic. Let's just ask ChatGPT. Not that it matters. I don't think I'm going to use his recommendations, honestly. But just curious, just want to throw that in it. Because basically you're using ChatGPT to go back and forth. ChatGPT, all the AI tools do is help you make better decisions. That's all. Or go from a blank page to something to work with faster. That's all. Yeah, white, clean, and professional. And it makes it stand out. That's what I was thinking. I agree. I use it just to agree with what I'm already thinking. Because my nickname is John GPT. All right, we're almost done because I got to eat lunch. I am hungry. That looks good. That's image number 1. Okay, image number 1. Great. Image number 2. What I want for image number 2. Let's go back here. Let's go back to here. What I liked, there's before and after. Yeah, we can try the before and after one. I'm not a fan of it. Or we just do the confident one. I think the confident coach one will look good. Yeah, because I already have that one. And it converted, excuse me, pretty good for like this thing. He converted very well for previous ad campaigns. So we're going to I like duplicating. I like saving a history of, this is just a history of all 300 ads I've ever ran and stuff like that. Because it helps, like I always go back to like reference them. So that's why I do it. Cool. Because it makes it easy to build. Now what I want, we could just cut this down to white. We're just doing very simple because the GoHighLevel is pretty iconic as far as their logo. Let's make it bigger. Oops. How you guys enjoying the content? Please throw something in the comments. Say hi. How's your day? Are you guys ready for Christmas? Or happy holidays? Right around the corner. This is Christmas Eve, December 25th. And we're here building an ad campaign because entrepreneurship never sleeps. You leave a 9 to 5 to work 24/7. That's funny. Okay. Let's look at our 2 pictures. Confident coach. Hey, tech support nerd. I like them. We're going to download both, and that is good to go. Ooh, we are ranking with people. 7 people in the views. Welcome, audience. Thank you so much for learning how to not only build a funnel, how to build a Facebook ad campaign, how to use AI to help you build an ad campaign, basically. Cool. So now, okay, we're building an ad campaign. We now have our images. We need the URL that it's going to go to. So let's get that URL, which is this one. See how, okay, this is just a good example. This landing page, 18 people went to it. 3 people signed up. That's a 17% conversion score. This is the only thing that you judge your website or funnel by. I don't care how it looks. I don't care how pretty it is and the color design and the graphics, meaningless. The only thing that you are judging your website on is the conversion score. And that score is what you're ranking against. For context, if it's a really good funnel and you're sending cold traffic, it's like 5 to 10%. If it's a lead magnet, then you'll go to like 20 to 40%. So just for context, perfect. I like that. I like that. So we need this URL, copy, publish options, copy this, because Facebook wants to know, hey, where are you sending these people to? Here. Done. I don't want site links. The text, I'm just going to put something right now, something and something, because Facebook does this like form kind of thing where they don't want you to fill it out, but they hide it in the background, which is stupid. I'm like, whatever. All right. So, oh, it's zipped. Hold on. Let's go to our downloads folder. Let's unzip this. Great. And then let's go to upload. And let's go to downloads. There's our folder. I'm going to upload both of these so we can upload in one go. Hey, you guys are learning Facebook ads. Pretty cool. Again, there's only 2 ways to get leads, because that's the biggest question every business has. How do I get leads? Only 2: organic content and paid ads. That's all. Cool. See, we got a nice image. Nice with the GoHighLevel logo. There's probably some copyright thing about that, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Cool. And now we got our image. Now we got our primary text, which again, ChatGPT. Nice, which I like. Okay. Tired of battling GoHighLevel headaches. Okay. Got GoHighLevel issues. Almost like got milk. Let's be on. Nah. Because within the first line, like this area right here, I need the SEO keyword of GoHighLevel. So tired of battling GoHighLevel headaches. Imagine focusing on your clients while someone else is handling someone else is going to handle the tech challenges. That sounds nice. I like that. Let's be honest. No. A/B testing too. You should always A/B test your ChatGPT, your copywriting. Just for the people that are we got some people showing up too in the chat, which is nice. I'm using a custom GPT. I'm not using a regular ChatGPT conversation to try and do copywriting. This thing is filled with a ton of prompt engineer prompts about the best copywriting, all my best frameworks, how to structure an offer, the psychology behind it. It has like 4 or 5 of the best copywriting books on it, in it. So it references all of that before it gives me copy. So that's why, and I have it trained on how to structure Facebook ads. Again, it's all about the frameworks, how the structure for it. So that's why again, you're going to be using ChatGPT. Yes, there's a bunch of other ones, but you're going to be using ChatGPT to help with your copywriting, to help you generate more leads and increase your sales. Your copywriting is going to be the text on your website. It's getting a little white. Hold on. Sun's peeking in. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, back to it. Text on your website or your funnel, your ad copy, your social media hooks, your lead magnets, and your offers, your irresistible offers for your low, mid, and high ticket and recurring revenue offers or products or services. So that's why that's where you're going to be using ChatGPT to make more money or to increase leads or increase sales, or more importantly, to increase the conversion from visitor to leads, then leads to sales, and then sales to repeat customers. So that's where you should be focusing all your energy in writing copy right here. So are we going to talk about pain? Or are we going to talk about pleasure? We're going to talk about pains. Let me be your fixer. I like that one. I'm going to be honest. It's not specific. Basically, these are people that signed up for GoHighLevel and they're like, oh my God, it doesn't come with prepackaged anything. It's completely complex and I have to build everything from scratch for my own business. That's basically my ideal demographic. You should, let's talk about What are the top 3 pain points that keep my ideal customer up at night? Because what you're selling is you're selling based on the pain points. That's the main thing is you should know. So you're going to use ChatGPT to try and figure out what are the top 3 things that keep your customers up at night. Oh my God, the tech is overwhelmed. Oh my God, inconsistent. Oh, the system is not consistent basically. Oh my God, I'm burnt out and scaling challenge. They're trying to manage everything themselves. Okay, now use those to ChatGPT. You have to surface it in the chat and then reprompt it. I'm going to say, so now rewrite ads 1 through 3, emphasizing the pain points. Because customers are in pain, basically. We want to move them from pain to pleasure. Okay. And now that we surface those pain points and then reprompt it, it's going to use that in its prompt to write better copy. Yeah, see, now you're getting, hey, GoHighLevel is supposed to make things easier, but instead you're drowning in setup, automation, and troubleshooting. Yep, they sold you the dream, but you're like, oh my God, it comes in pieces. It's a great product, but the problem is, it's like Salesforce. The problem is, it's like getting a Ferrari shipped to your door. It comes in pieces, and there's no instruction manual to set up. So that's why in the Salesforce world, you need a Salesforce administrator that's dedicated to just goes into configuring the system for startups and $1 million companies. That's the same thing with GoHighLevel. It's super powerful, but it's a bag of tools. So you have to custom build it tailored to your business, the automation, the copywriting, the offers, everything. So that's why. Kind of ironing in the first line and translate for average Joe and keep it short / brief. No long sentences. Cool. We're almost done too. No. I like to go to the original ad because go back to the original ad and just use a few lines about the pain points. Sometimes you have to go back and forth with ChatGPT. Also translating it for average Joe. Now better. So tired of GoHighLevel headaches. Yep. Imagine focusing on a car while someone else had it nice. What's keep you up at night? Hours spent figuring out the automations that just don't work. Frustration with broken funnels and missing leads. Yep. Wasting time. Now we've got the original version 1 ads added with text from the pain points. That's what I wanted. So I like that. I like the imagine. So we're just going to use this as our text. Cool. So let's take this, donate this. That looks good. Let's take this. And now we have our copy. Copy is the text of the ads. Hey, 9 people. Welcome to the club. We are building a GoHighLevel Facebook ad campaign. So so what I'm looking for when I do the ads, I'm looking for, is it interesting in the first 3 lines? That's the most important thing that I'm looking for right here. Is like, is this interesting? Worth it? Tired of GoHighLevel headaches? Yes. Imagine focusing on your clients while someone else handles all the tech. Oh my God, that sounds great. Tell me more. That's a great. Okay, what's keeping you up at night? Hours spent figuring out automations that just don't work. Frustration with broken funnels, missing leads. Yep. Wasting time on tech instead of growing your business. Yep. Let me be your fixer. We're just going to space this out a little. Book a support call today, and I'll personally walk through your high level challenges and goals. Chat your challenges, goals, different solutions, your challenges and goals. So you can focus. Wait, what's the original line here? Deliver solutions. So we'll take over. We'll solve them for you. So you can focus on serving your clients. Keep it simple. Book a support call today, and I'll personally walk through your high level challenges and goals. We'll solve them so you can. Oops. Let's just coherently fix that. We'll go ChatGPT, just streamline this. Oh, we're almost done. Almost done. And it's lunchtime. Book a support call today, and I'll help solve your level challenges so you can focus on serving your clients. See? Beautiful. So this is called the Frankenstein technique, where now I'm going back and forth just to kind of piece together different or improve different pieces in the ad. Click below to book your call and leave the stress to us. Perfect. Tired of high level headaches? Imagine focusing on your clients while someone else handles the tech. I love that. Are you struggling with hours, frustration? Automations, there's no hard trial. Let me be your fixer. I like that. Okay, cool. Now we need a headline. Give me 5 headlines that are under 30 characters. Fix your Go High Level and Go High Level setup done right. Stress free Go High Level help. I like fix. The word fix. Fix your Go High Level fast. Yeah, because it's broken basically. Okay, let's bring this all the way over here. Paste. Yep, and it fits. That's why it's under 30 characters. Nice. Subtitle. Stress-free, Go High Level help. Scale faster. See, it cuts off. So instead of scale faster, what I want done for you setup. And support. Yeah, it's to make it cool. Your tech fixer awaits. Which of these headlines is better? See, again, we're using ChatGPT. Which of these headlines is better? We're using ChatGPT to make better decisions, especially when you have a bunch of choices. You can delegate. We're almost done. Then we can eat lunch. I'm so excited. Fix high level headaches today. Touch your text fixer awaits. Cool. Fix high level headaches today. Hey, 10 people. A lot of people showing up. That's nice. I think that's pretty good. Basically, fix your high level fast. Well, we're repeating ourselves. Okay, so let's do the personalized. Let us manage the tech for you. Let us manage the tech. Let us manage it. Let us fix it. Let us take care of it. I like that. That's good enough. That's good enough. Website conversion. Make sure it's going to the landing page. That looks good. We don't need a form. No, thank you. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. All right. I just need to get version 1 out. Well, I'm going to improve it over the next couple of days as I get feedback from the analytics and the conversion scores. So let's take a look at this. The ad that we created. Tired of GoHighLevel headaches? Imagine focusing on your clients while someone else handles the tech. Yes, tell me more. Fix your high level fast. Let us manage the text. Learn more. I like that. And here, what's keeping you up at night? Hours wasted. Yeah, let me be your fixer. Book a tech support today. We'll solve it. Book them. Cool. That looks good. So this is version 1. I like this. Let's just review all our settings. We have an image. We have learn more. We have that. We have that. We have great text. We have just one image. That looks good. We're just reviewing. We're sending people to the website. Yes. Oh, conversion event. Oh, see, this is where you go back and double check. What's the conversion event? They become a lead. If you watched the beginning of the video, you saw how that was done. So lead there. Great. $50. We're going to A/B test 2 ads on this. Florida and Texas. Yes, because California's expensive. So that looks good. Age 30 to 55. Yeah, that's most age of entrepreneurs, men and women. Yep. They speak English. Yep. Facebook, Instagram. Yep. We're just doing images. There's our feed for Instagram. That good. And we are not we're doing both devices. So, yep, that looks good. And then this is version 1. So now let's publish. Getting the Facebook ad done. Hell yeah. Do a little happy dance. Do a little happy dance. Okay, so that's version 1. And now we're going to A/B test. Always turn it on. Sometimes I forget to turn on, or you have to do that one last step. Then what I want to do is quick duplicate, because I want to test a different image. This is version, see, why versions are important. 1.5, great. And then we'll go to ad setup. Yep, everything's the same. Just double check though, just in case. Website, yep. Lead conversion, yep. Website, yep. Maximize conversions, yep. Yep, yep. Yep, 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 yep. That looks good. That's all the same. Yep. And the only change that we're going to do, and then we'll call it then, that's going to be the end of this video for at least. So I'm going to go eat, and then I'll record the VSL right after. What I want is the image, and remember we have our second image right here. Nice. 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 There's our second image. The text stays the same, because when you do ads, when you build your funnel, you always should be A/B testing. Because I'll tell you, your first ad is never a winner. It's usually version anywhere from 5 to version 10. That's like the winner. So that's why it's so important to A/B test. Most small business owners make the mistake. They run one ad and they're like, oh, Facebook ads don't work, or oh, my funnel's not turning into visitors. It's like, no. A/B testing, always be testing, like always be closing. And then you do it 2 levels. You just do the image, and then next is you do the text. Third is you do the offer. So that's good. I like that. There's our version 1 and version 2. Just double check, learn more, send them to this website. Always double check that's the website. And then we're going to bring it to a landing, because we accomplished a lot during this. Cool. Just double check that page. Yep, that works. I'm going to record a VSL right there. Phone number and email, get started. That's me. Look how simple this landing page is. There's nothing else on it. That's a funnel. Great. And now this is done. There's nothing else to do. Okay. Last thing I want to do, most importantly, because we're going to get, okay, so we'll get analytics and we'll get data there. We'll just change this to today. You see some other ads. See, this is why you'll be judging your score here. So this was a previous ad, but just just so you know how to read your analytics. You have impressions, how many people did you show it to? Well, technically, reach is how many unique people did you show it to. Impressions is how many people did it show it repeatedly to. So that's why impressions is bigger than reach. It showed it to 963 people. 9 people clicked on the ad. If you divide 9 by 936, you get 0.88%. That's a horrible score. You ideally want to reach 5% or more for your conversion, for your click-through rate. That's the conversion score you want to get to. And then also be watching your cost per click too. And then how many people did it actually turn into leads? This is your conversion. This is why you do pixels, so that you can find out how many people went to your landing page and how many people actually converted. So that's how to read conversion score here. Same thing for your website. Again, let's just look at this. Let's say for the landing page, there we go. Visitors, 18 people went to it, 3 people signed up, 70% conversion score. But you also, okay, so for ads, you want at least like 1,000 impressions to like make a statistical decision, roughly. More is better. Here, same thing, you want at least like 500 plus visitors to judge. You don't want to judge if it's like under 10, obviously. So here, what I'm going to do is going to reset, because I've been going to this website while testing. We're going to reset the analytics and reset the analytics so it's clean. We get a nice zip, just so you can see. See, nice 0, 0. So we can now start tracking leads and conversions. And let's bring it to the end. So what did we do? Also, I have my checklist, but basically let's review. So we set up the thank you page. We set up the landing page. We did the Zapier and CRM email and automation. We put the pixel code for the conversion event on the website thank you page. So when people make it a thank you page, sends data to Facebook. So it sends it so they know the conversion. We did the copywriting using ChatGPT and AI. So we know how to write the text for the ads. And we're also A/B testing 2 ads. And the only variable that we're testing is the image. That is GoHighLevel on Facebook ads, roughly in a nutshell of how do you get leads using paid traffic. Build a funnel, run paid ads, and then A/B test, basically. So thank you so much for joining. Please like and subscribe so you can watch out for future videos. Hope you learned something. I'm Jonathan Acuna. And if you have GoHighLevel questions, go to the website Simple Tech Skills. Let's just go there real quick. If you want me to set up your GoHighLevel or customize it for your business or help you run ads, anything like that, the website is simpletechskills.com, simpletechskills.com. The link will be in the description. You can go there, book a discovery call, and then we can talk about your challenges, your business goals, so that we can set up GoHighLevel for your business. So again, GoHighLevel is great. It will completely automate and streamline your business, do all the email and text automation and marketing copy. I'm not doing an affiliate link. I'm not there. I do managed services for my clients to help them scale. Usually my clients in 90 days double their revenue using the new automation system, better copywriting and ads from there. So that's the goal. So if you need help, click the link below. I would love to help build your system for you. I'm Jonathan Akita. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. It's lunchtime. I'm hungry.